We're just days away from the Galaxy S24 launch. January 17th is the date to mark on your calendars. But hold on, the excitement doesn't end there. Samsung is set to follow up with a bang, introducing the Galaxy A55, a premium mid-range smartphone a couple of months later. This phone has been making waves with a handful of leaks, and today, we've got something special for you. Exclusive official renders in awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy colors, giving you an early look at its design. Now let's talk design. The Galaxy A55 might share some DNA with its predecessor, the Galaxy A54, but there's a twist. Samsung seems to be throwing in a new design element, the key island button design. Here the frame is slightly raised around the power and volume keys, a subtle yet distinctive touch. This design first made its appearance with the Galaxy A15 and A25 last month, and it's here to stay. The physical buttons, as usual, grace the right side, and the antenna lines confirm a sleek metallic build, possibly an aluminum frame, as per the rumors. The overall frame stays flat with rounded corners, creating a sleek profile. Flipping to the back, you'll find the rear camera array flaunting 3 lenses, each protruding independently without the typical universal camera housing. A side-on view reveals these lenses substantially protruding from the body, accompanied by an LED flash. The front of the phone showcases a flat display with noticeable bezels, not forgetting the punch hole cutout at the top center for the selfie camera. While it might not be a total design overhaul, the small bump on the frame catches the eye. Now, let's talk power. The Galaxy A55 is set to be fueled by Samsung's in-house Exynos 1480 processor, a 4nm powerhouse with 4 high-performance CPU cores clocked at 2.75 GHz and 4 efficiency cores at 2.05 GHz. But here's the kicker, it's paired with the X-Eclipse 530 GPU, a custom creation co-developed with AMD, drawing inspiration from Radeon graphics technology used in PC graphics and flagship Exynos chips. Get ready for an adrenaline-fueled boost in performance. The phone is expected to ship with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage, with the possibility of more configurations. Operating out of the box with Android 14 and One UI 6.1 on top, the Galaxy A55 promises a seamless user experience. As for other specs like camera, display, and battery details, well, they're still under wraps. But we're anticipating more leaks in the coming weeks, especially after the Galaxy S24 launch later this month. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the Galaxy A55's world. What are your thoughts on Samsung's latest mid-range offering? Drop your comments below. Until next time, peace out.